Ka nong yalam ke NPP ka kong Ampareen lingdo kala ong baka Jingsngewthuh bat ka Jingsngewthuh Bakla kamdei ban Khanglat ya ka Jingiakren Iasuk hapdeng ki lai liang mamla bakan thup ya ka sorkar jala sorkar pedeng bat ka seng baan ka Hnlc National Liberation Council habakran menta ka pratarik kelaling kot arja arpau sau ka kong Ampareen kala ong baka NPP ka balayalam ya ka sorkar kala kut jingmut baka Jingiakren Iasuk kadei ban yat shakmat banwan ra ya ka Jingsuk ka bane bat ka baskem. Kalau ongru baka sorkar Jingiakren khambaha halor kane hadin balawan usembut menteri rangba ubapet ya katanat kampo yeng uba presiden tensong namar ba udang don shabari dangshan ke Hnlc kalapan bana bakala wengno ya ka Jingiakren Iasuk hadin bakala keno baka sorkar kam sngap ban wengno ya ki mukot duma baro persya ya ki rekod jong kaseng.
An official communication on this matter has already been indicated to certain media organizations. I believe there was a press release of some sort. This matter is to be handled by the Honorable Home Minister, who is also the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of the state, who is at the moment indisposed and unable to attend to this important matter. However, having said that and put that in perspective, the NPP remains dedicated to advise its government to go ahead with this very crucial peace talk. We understand that there have been certain displeasures and misunderstanding which all yet have to be verified, and we will wait for the Honorable Home Minister to return to office very shortly, and he will surely be able to give you better insight. But I assure you that we as a party and we as a government are committed towards the progression of peace talks with this particular band outfit, and we would like to see that there should be an amicable understanding for long-term peace talks. I will not be able to disclose much on this matter because I am yet to be advised accordingly. However, at this point of time, this should be sufficient to explain the stand of the supporters of the NPP on the one side and the government of the MDA 2.0 in the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister.